Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to the MyGuru tutorial. In this tutorial I will focus on how to use the forum on MyGuru. A forum is a platform where lecturers and students discuss topics assigned by lecturers. This icon means that there are forum assignments that students have not yet answered. After successfully logging into MyGuru, select a course. In this example, I chose this biology course. In the biology course dashboard, look at the left menu and click the forum menu. The display will show a list of the lecturer's forum topics. Duration means the duration of the forum task is open for students to answer it. This red triangle icon means that the student has not made any reply yet. The thumb up icon means that the student has made a reply. Click on the view button to see more details. Here is the space to make a reply. Enter text, images, and so on here and click the send button. Students are also encouraged to comment in other students' reply sections. So now the student has made one reply and one comment as stated in the front view. That's all.